Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain to you step by step how to install updated ADMX policy templates for managing Windows 11 and group policy on Windows Server. Updating the ADMX and ADML management templates is critical to properly managing the latest Windows features through group policy. Without the latest ADMX templates, you will not be able to access the new policy settings, which may limit your ability to configure Windows 11 effectively. I'm currently working on Windows Server 2019, and I will first show you how to download and install the latest ADMX policy templates and how to set up a central store for group policy. This will ensure that all domain controllers use the latest policies, making management more efficient, and these steps that I will explain also work with Windows Server 2022. Open the browser to the GitHub page that explains how to create and manage the central store for group policy management templates in Windows. Click on it to take you to the official Microsoft download page, where you can get the latest administrative template files, ADMX based on your operating system version. On the Microsoft page, scroll down and locate the latest ADMX administrative templates for Windows 11 version 2024. On the Microsoft download page, click the download button and wait for a few seconds until the download is complete. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and then double-click the downloaded .msi file to start the installation on the server. Click Run to start installing the administrative template files. The installation process is very simple. All you have to do is follow the installation steps only, and finally, click the Finish button. After that, I will open the path where the administrative template files are installed is Drive C, then Program Files x86, then Microsoft Group Policy, then Windows 11, then PolicyDefinitions. Here you will find ADMX and ADML files for different languages. Now I will move to the main path for the administrative template files that are currently working with the server. Open Drive C, and from there enter Windows folder. Then search for the PolicyDefinitions folder. This is the administrative templates that are currently working with the server and that we want to update and import the administrative template files and update them to manage Windows 11. I am now supposed to copy the new administrative template files and paste them on the current administrative templates file, but this way the administrative files will not be updated. To ensure that all domain controllers in your network use the updated ADMX files, we need to store them in the central store. So open your server path in the File Explorer. Then enter the Sysvol folder, then open the Your Domain Name folder, and then the Policies folder. This path is considered a central store. Now we must copy the main PolicyDefinitions folder that contains the administrative template files that are currently working with the server. I will consider it a central store for administrative templates. After that, you must copy the PolicyDefinitions folder that contains the ADMX templates and the new policies for managing Windows 11 to the group policy and copy it to the same path until the update is complete for all ADMX templates. Once you have finished copying both the ADMX templates and the new policies for managing Windows 11 and the current administrative templates and pasting them into the central store, the group policies will be updated and you will be able to manage Windows 11 through the updated policies. By opening the Group Policy Management console, I will edit any GPO to check if the administrative templates are updated. I was looking for a policy called Hide the Task View button, and it was not present in the administrative templates before the update. It was actually updated, and the ADMX policy templates were imported to manage Windows 11. And that's all in today's video. We learned the steps to install and update the ADMX policy templates for managing Windows 11 in the group policy. Now you can take full advantage of the latest policy settings to configure Windows 11 more effectively in your domain environment, so you always have access to the latest group policy features and settings, keeping your IT infrastructure secure and well managed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.